Look at this outside. This is the floor they're scrubbing. See? And they have a new stuff. This one. Ooh, look. Oh my god. Hello, darling. The boss.
Making up on me. The bed has been, the headboard has been treated for like termite ants, things like that. So there's an infestation caused probably by the damp. So all that around the outside has been treated for insects.
Oh, but why did you close the door? Suspicious. Look at this. Look at this floor. Oh. So remove everything first. Let's see the progress so far. Yeah, let's finish.
Big. You want me to do it? Getting there, nearly finished. One more. Stick it.
Okay, let me show you the result. Look at this. Everything is good compared to before. Much better. And the floor.
I'm very pleased with the job the guys made. This is Arjun, the boss, the supervisor, and there's the money.
Thank you. Thank you. Very nice job.
Okay. Thank you, guys.